Hi there, this is our Cosen SH-460M Taiwanese bandsaw, reasonably renowned saw, 3-phase, single mitre, semi-auto, so when it comes down at the end of the cut it goes up, hydraulic rise and fall, etc. This one's in good condition and ticks over nicely. You've just got your manual driven, off the blade wire brush over this side, coolant set up here, and we control for your descent over here, manual blade tension and manual vice clamp, etc. So there isn't a lot to demonstrate with these. I'll take that down and just open that valve. So there's that bow descending, and I can speed that up or slow it down. That's working nicely. I'll take it up, and then it's got the adjustable top limit switch there. You've got your e-stop there, which is working. So basically I'll just start it. That's that descent speed. That blade's running now. End of cut, and then it's just done its semi-auto feature of just going up at the end of it. So that's probably all there is to demonstrate, really. So yeah, well-known Taiwanese machine, single mitre, in good operating condition, nice and tidy, and all set to go.